Okay, we're gonna do a cold start on an old 4020 with the round baler. So let's see here. Key on, stick, clutch. Oh, look at that. It starts right up. Nice little low idle. Alrighty, let's do this. Take you for a journey with me down the road a little bit. Now this is starting to 6. Here we go. And yeah, it's kind of loud. Oh shit, big bump, big bump. Oh, there's no suspension. It's so fucking rough. Oh, I don't mean to curse, but wow, it's rough. Alright, here we go. On the road again. Tractor is just so loud. You see there's no door. I have no air conditioner, so I always have the windows open. So that's why I'm not really talking. But I'll take you for a ride down to the corner here. Be loud. There we go. There we go. Alright, come on, stop. Ease up here. I need to figure out how to fix that. That doesn't sound good at all. But if you like it, comment, rate, and subscribe.